There is an add-in that comes with Excel that can allow you to get and analyze many different statistical descriptors. It's called the Data Analysis ToolPak, and here's how to enable it. First, click File in the top left, then Options. Next, go down to Add-ins, and then click on the Go button next to Manage at the bottom. Finally, select any or all of the add-ins you'd like to have enabled. Now, all you need to do is click on the Data tab at the top, click the new button on the right called Data Analysis, and it will bring up a list of many different analysis techniques for you to choose from. If you would like to see some basic ones like the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and many more, select Descriptive Statistics. Next, select all the inputs, making sure to select labels in the first row if that's applicable, where you want the output to be, and then check the box for Summary Statistics. Now, when you click OK, Excel will automatically calculate a wide range of analytical descriptors. If this was helpful or new information for you, follow us at Spreadsheet Nerds for even more tips and tricks in the future, and repost to help others in your network with their spreadsheet problems. Let our team of nerds help you solve your next business spreadsheet or data issue, so get in touch today for a free consultation to see how we can save you time and money with custom solutions.